Shopify gives you the option to personalize your online marketplace, but it doesn't provide you full creative control over the page designs. So you need a powerful page builder too if you want to design beautiful landing pages or edit store pages. Pagefly enters the scene in this situation. It is a drag-and-drop page builder tool created by Shopify specialists that enables you to create various page types. To install Pagefly, you need to press on any page you want to create. Select if you want to create it from a template or use a blank page. Then, the screen will show a tab for layouts available for use and also slideshows, tabs, accordion, and others. Clicking on the Shopify icon from the left, you will have the chance to create a product list, adding product details, media, title, price, and others. You can use or edit your third-party elements, or choose any third-party applications that you might need. Then, you can add your custom CSS code. That's how easy it is. Let's take a look now at all the features offered by this application in order for you to understand if it's worth trying or not. First, it's easy to use. With the adaptable page editor, you can create or modify pages using a drag-and-drop interface. The pages you build will all be completely responsive on smartphones, desktops, and tablets, giving your consumers a seamless purchasing experience. You can edit page designs back and forth, turn on autosave for simple editing, and store your templates and sections for future use. Additionally, it has a version history option that aids in retrieving your original pages. You can build and customize the regular pages from scratch: homepage, product pages, collection pages, blog post pages, password page, contact page, and about page. We have been discussing how flexible and incredibly easy to use this application is for its users. In fact, it is the primary factor in its success as the most well-liked page builder among rivals. You can customize the standard elements, Shopify elements, third-party elements, and sections. You get everything you need to construct, design, and personalize your pages with this sophisticated suite. The use of this page builder can actually result in the creation of a convincing page that stimulates the customer's purchasing intent. Cookies are used by the team to collect all the necessary information for evaluating the effectiveness of the pages in your store. With the help of this information, you can see how your customized pages have contributed to an increase in the sales of your Shopify business. For each of the pages you've generated, analytics are displayed separately. For instance, you can use pertinent metrics to visualize the performance of a homepage you created. You can track the add to cart, revenue, product views, conversion rate, visitors, and time on page. Here are Pagefly pricing plans. And you know what? The app has an overall rating of 4.9 stars out of 5, which makes it a very impressive application. Pagefly makes it simple for anyone to design their complete store or generate landing pages. It distinguishes itself from other page builder programs with its complete page editor, gorgeous templates, and a large section of page elements. See it for yourself. Check out the link below. To kickstart your dropshipping journey, watch this free step-by-step guide, subscribe to the channel, and like this video.